There's something timeless about a pixie haircut. It's more than just short hair, it's confidence, freedom, and personality all in one look. Some hairstyles follow trends for a season, but the pixie cut keeps returning with new energy every year because it has the power to completely transform someone's appearance without losing elegance or femininity. From soft and romantic styles to edgy modern cuts, the pixie haircut has become a symbol of bold beauty. What makes pixie haircuts so special is their versatility. A pixie cut can look classy, playful, stylish, or powerful depending on the way it's styled. Some women prefer a soft, layered pixie with natural texture, while others love sharp lines and dramatic volume for a more fashion-forward appearance. The beauty of this haircut is that it works with different face shapes, hair textures, and personal styles. That's why it continues to inspire millions of women around the world. One of the most loved pixie styles today is the textured pixie cut. This version adds movement and softness to the hair, making it look modern and effortless. Light layers create natural volume, while side-swept bangs give the face a softer look. It's perfect for anyone who wants a stylish haircut that still feels easy and comfortable in everyday life. Even simple styling products can completely change the vibe of this haircut, making it look polished for formal events or relaxed for casual days. Another popular idea is the long pixie cut. This style keeps a little more length around the front and sides, creating a softer transition between short and medium hair. It's a perfect option for people who want to try shorter hair without going extremely short all at once. Long pixie cuts also frame the face beautifully and look amazing with highlights or soft hair colors that add dimension and shine. For people who love bold fashion, the undercut pixie is one of the strongest style statements. Short shaved sides combined with textured volume on top create a confident and modern appearance. This haircut gives strong personality and instantly catches attention. Many fashion influencers and celebrities love this style because it feels powerful while still remaining elegant and stylish. Soft, curly pixie cuts are also becoming more popular. Natural curls add beauty and uniqueness to short hair, creating volume and texture without much effort. Instead of hiding curls, modern pixie styles celebrate them. Curly pixie cuts look playful, youthful, and full of life. They also bring a natural softness that makes the haircut feel warm and feminine. Hair color can completely change the mood of a pixie haircut. Platinum blonde pixies create a bold and glamorous look, while warm brown shades give softness and elegance. Black pixie cuts often look classic and powerful, especially with sleek styling and shine. Some people even experiment with pastel colors or subtle highlights to make the layers stand out more beautifully. Styling a pixie haircut is easier than many people think. A little texture spray, light wax, or volume cream can instantly shape the hair and create different looks within minutes. Some days the style can look smooth and polished, while other days it can appear messy and relaxed with natural texture. This flexibility is one reason why so many women fall in love with pixie hairstyles after trying them once. Pixie haircuts also highlight facial features beautifully. Eyes become more noticeable, cheekbones appear sharper, and the overall face looks fresher and brighter. Short hair often gives a clean and confident appearance that feels both modern and timeless at the same time. It's a hairstyle that allows personality to shine naturally.